Today in this tutorial you will learn how to cancel your RYZE Superfoods subscription. So what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website of RYZE Superfood, and once you are on official website you need to scroll down very bottom side. You need to find manage subscription button. You need to tap on this button and it will redirect you on this page. On this page you need to enter your email, which is your registered email related to your subscription. Once you enter your email, they will send you a code and you need to enter your code and you will redirect on the manage subscription page, and you can cancel your subscription by using this method. And there is one more method by which you can cancel your subscription. You can compose an email format. You can see on your screen. You need to compose email. In the email you need to provide all the information related to RYZE Superfood subscription, and in the end of email you need to mention please provide a proof of cancellation. And once your email done, you need to send your email at this email address alex@ryzesuperfoods.com. Once you send your email, once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription and they will notify you once your subscription will cancel. So by using these methods you can easily cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.